And are these attacks investigated in any proper way, or is there impunity?
There is complete impunity, and impunity drives more attacks and more killings, and there is no oversight and no transparency and no accountability.
That is quite a backdrop in terms of what is happening, accountability. I mentioned the UN report that you presented not that long ago. In terms of the international community, how do they address an issue like this with Pakistan?
Well, what I can only tell you is, speaking from my mandate, I try and raise cases with the Pakistani government. I send them official letters about different cases. But it's a collective response we need. What you're doing, highlighting these awful injustices, is extremely important, because the one thing I've learned is governments hate to see their reputation tarnished in any way and hate negative media attention. Other embassies in Pakistan should be protecting human rights defenders in a better way, making sure that they recognise publicly their legitimate work and praise them for doing that work. But at the end of the day, it is, make no mistake, it's the Pakistani state that has the responsibility to protect human rights defenders and journalists. They have signed up to the UN Declaration on Human Rights Defenders, and they should be doing it. And they should not be excusing themselves in any way. And the ISI and the military, who are deeply involved in the kind of interaction with the government, should not